Dear colleagues, I'm very pleased to share with you the data from the POLARIS study, a phase 3b trial. On behalf of my co-authors from the POLARIS trial, I'm very happy to share this exciting manuscript data with you. POLARIS was a phase 3b clinical trial investigating efficacy and safety of Guselkumab in head-to-head to fumaric acid esters. Guselkumab, an IL-23 inhibitor, was compared to fumaric acid esters, a very frequently used systemic conventional treatment in patients with moderate to severe psoriasis in Germany. Today, I'm showing you the part 2A and 2B and also the part 3 of the trial where patient responded to Guselkumab, continued the treatment until week 56, and then the treatment was stopped. Patient who achieved an PASI 75 have been responder, they continued the treatment of fumaric acid esters, and the non-responder to the fumaric acid esters have been switched to Guselkumab. As you can see from the week 32 results, Guselkumab was superior in PASI 75, in PASI 90, and also improving the quality of life as measured with the DLQI 0 and 1. In the phase 2, the part 2 of the trial, a patient who had been on Guselkumab and they maintained the treatment response. So 90% of them at week 56 achieved an PASI 90, and almost all the patients achieved a PASI 75 at week 56. Interesting, patients who have not responded to fumaric acid esters frequently use systemic treatment in psoriasis. Almost 90% achieve the PASI 90, but almost 100%, basically all the patients achieve the PASI 75. Interesting, patient who responding good on fumaric acid esters, only 64% achieved in a PASI 75. Interesting result, but it was also more interesting what happens once the patient achieved the week 76. They have been on Guselkumab, and now if we stop the treatment, what we have seen that the median time to loss of response in the treatment arm of Guselkumab was 315 days compared to the 293 days of patient who have been non-responded to fumaric acid and then switched to Guselkumab, showing that patients who are responding to Guselkumab, if for any reason we stop the treatment, the median time to loss of response is really very high. So showing to all of us how important is a continuous treatment of this patient, but also an early management and probably the immune modulatory effects of the IL-23 inhibition with the Guselkumab. Regarding the safety profile, there will be no new safety signal as observed in the previous trials. And in a conclusion, I think the study is showing that in a patient who are systemic treatment naive, Guselkumab is a very fast acting treatment option, superior to conventional systemic treatment like fumaric acid esters, but also after a period of time of 56 weeks, if the treatment was stopped in this population, we have seen also long-term maintenance of the treatment response. Data which are very interesting and exciting, and I hope that you will enjoy them. With this, on behalf of the whole team, I would like to thank you very much for attention.